Sample for us. You've watched Zimbabwean opposition politics for long enough to know that nothing happens by accident. Tsarapina mashoko kubuda panguva inoi achionekwa kunze nhau yeopposition yenyika yeZimbabwe yotoshamisa. Right now, if you date back, let's say around 10 years back, unyazoona kuti in around 2016, 2017, 2018, nyika yeZimbabwe maipisa and people were now expecting kuti ZANU-PF iya yakuchienda manje. Noda kuti opposition yange yagaina traction yakanyanya on the ground, but panguva inoi mukazotarisa kuti opposition iya angova marara. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Chimosa ronoposta this picture mukona ra Nelson Chamisa ne masupporters ake at a rally panguva inoi udanyira chiti the funding, the splits, the sudden retirements, the silence that follows. When a liberation movement, the biggest perceived threat, quietly falls no fight, no resistance, the first question any serious analyst asks is, what was the arrangement? Because in Zimbabwe, graceful exists don't come cheap, and the men who fund both sides of a war have always been the one who wins it regardless of the result. The full picture of Zimbabwe's 2018 and 2023 election financing is a conversation. This country is not yet ready to have honesty. We will get there. Chakanira chin each. Tuma developments are good panguva inoi. Pana wino sirisa opposition yenyika Zimbabwe yonokwa kunze it has been destroyed, and panguva inoi we do not know kana ichazombosimuka zvayo. Ndinangomai section medu mbotsa mafunguro enyu muri kundipa pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Ndinangomai section medu, so subscribe or like mauchite nekutina on the bell icon.